11時45分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺下午1時，超強颱風華嘉莎集結喺香港之西南約170公里，即係喺北緯21.4度、東經112.8度附近。預料向西或西北偏西移動，時速約22公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸一帶。華嘉莎正逐漸遠離香港，但烈風至暴風程度嘅東南風仍然影響本港多處地區。預料8號烈風或暴風信號會喺今晚8時前維持。隨後天文台會視乎本地風力減弱程度，考慮改發3號強風信號。本港今日天氣仍然惡劣，有頻密狂風大驟雨及雷暴，海有非常巨浪及湧浪，岸邊仍然會出現越堤浪。天文台呼籲市民繼續保持警覺，遠離岸邊及停止水上活動。華嘉莎所帶嚟嘅風暴潮令本港水位普遍升高超過1.5米，維港嘅水位曾經錄得海圖基準面以上約3.4米。而大埔滘及尖鼻咀潮汐站錄得嘅最高水位為海圖基準面以上約3.8米。下午本港沿岸嘅水位將會逐步下降。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲及塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時135、113及92公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時187、136及110公里。防風措施報告：熱帶氣旋雖然開始遠離本港，但仍然有一段時間吹烈風，請市民繼續留喺室內，直至風力減弱為止，切勿接觸被風吹到嘅電線。有關最新嘅天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
1:45 in the afternoon, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast, gale or storm signal, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 1 p.m., Super Typhoon Ragasol was centered about 170 km southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.4 degrees north, 112.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west, or west-northwest, at about 22 km per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the western coast of Guangdong. Ragasa is departing from Hong Kong gradually, but gale to storm force southeasterly winds are still affecting many places of the territory. The number 8 gale or storm signal is expected to remain in force before 8 p.m. tonight. Depending on the extent of weakening of local winds, the observatory will then consider issuing the strong wind signal number 3. Local weather will still be adverse today, with frequent heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be very high with swells. There will be overtopping waves over the shoreline. Members of the public are advised to remain on the alert, stay away from the shoreline, and not engage in water sports. The storm surge brought by Ragasol caused a general rise of more than 1.5 meters in water levels over the territory. The water level recorded at Victoria Harbour was once about 3.4 meters above chart datum, while the maximum water level at Tai Po Khao and Simbay Chue Tide Station was about 3.8 meters above chart datum. Local water levels over the coastal areas will fall progressively in the afternoon. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Chengchao, and Tap Moon were 135, 113, and 92 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 187, 136, and 110 km per hour respectively. As for the precautionary announcements, although the tropical cyclone is moving away from Hong Kong, gales are expected to persist for some time. Please continue to stay indoors until winds moderate. Do not touch electric cables that have been blown loose. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。